Happy New Year to all of you. So, as the new year has arrived, I have made some projects using coding. So, today I am gonna show you all those projects, and all the links for the projects are in the description box. So, you can go and check out all the links and you can also make your own projects. So, let's get started. So here is the first project, which is catch the disc, not the ball. So here what we will have is one dog along with two people, one girl and one boy. So this girl will throw a disc and this boy will throw a fireball. We only have to collect the discs, and if we collect 10 discs and our score would be 10, then we will win. But if we collect the fireball, then our score will deduct with 1. And if our score becomes 0 or less, then we will lose the game. So let's just play this game. So like this, I am increasing my score. So let's just find a disc. Oops, I just touched the fireball and hence my score has decreased. So we have to be careful with the fireball over here. You can also remix my project and just change these fireballs and the discs to something else. And see that I have won this game as my score is 11. So this was my first project. Now let's come to the second project. Yeah, and here is our second game. So this game is basically a football game. So what is this? This is a paddle which we will control using the navigation. That means the left and right buttons. And the ball will come, and once we put the ball in the goal, then we will get one more ball like this until and unless all the balls are not finished, then we will keep playing, and once all the balls are left, then we will lose the game. So let's get started with this. Here is the first ball and I just hit it and it goes in the goal. So now I will have two balls in my screen at a time, and when the other one will go, one of them will go, then we will have two more. That means we will have three balls and we do not have to let them go. Here we see two scores, that is 3 and 2 right now. So 3 is my score and 2 is the score of the opponent. That means the number of balls I miss will be the score of the opponent. So the number of balls I put in the goal, I will have the number of balls multiplied by 2. So you can remix this project, and instead of balls, you can put something else, and also you can change the sound of these things. So we can play this forever, and I am sending the link in the description. So don't forget to go and play on your own and remix my project to make your own project. And like this, I have got the score to be 12 and 30. That is, the 13 is the opponent's score and my score is 12, and hence I lost the game. So now let's go on to the third game which I have. So this is not exactly a game, but can help you a lot with your maths calculations. So here I have this game this project has to be square and area, perimeter and area converter. So here I add a side which should be in centimeters. So say for example, I add 2 and I have to calculate the area. So the area will become here 4 square centimeters and the perimeter will be 8 centimeter. So if I add 0, that is 20. So the calculating area will be 400 square centimeters and the calculated perimeter would be 80 centimeter. Like this, you can put any of the number over here and calculate the perimeter and area, but remember, only for a square. Yes, so this project, it's also not a game, but can help you. How? So this is a piggy bank project which says that whenever you add your amount, you should give it amount in this. Like for example, today I added 10 rupees in my piggy bank. So I write 10 here and then add. So that this will store 10 as the number. So if you have to check that how much money is currently in your bank, in your piggy bank, then you can see from here that there are 10 rupees currently. So if I withdraw 5 rupees from my piggy bank and I click on spend, so there will be 5 rupees left in your piggy bank. You can refer to this app again. So if you do not want to open your you open your piggy bank and count all the number of money in it, then you can refer to this app always. So this is what? This is a digital scenery made by me. So we can just run this, and on this we have a sun made by me, and then I've made mountains, a grass and a river flowing through them. So let's just see this. So this is my sun completed, and then my mountains, the plains and river. So this is my whole digital scenery. Hope you like this. You can also remix this project, as its link will also be in the description, and make something new and amazing. So what do you think is this project? So this project can help you learn tables easily. So what is this project about? So let's see. So this wizard says, please press up arrow key to get a question. So let's press it. So what is 10 multiplied by 18? So this is a multiplication. So let's just, it's 180, right? So 180. I write it. And I score 1 point. It says, hooray, this is the correct answer. So you can learn the project, you can learn tables up to 20 and then test whether you know all or not. Again, we will press up arrow, and this says, what is 7 multiplied by 3? So it's 21. But let's write 20 and see what happens. So I write 20 and it says, oops, that's the incorrect answer. So my score becomes 0. So like this, you can also learn tables up to 20 and then test yourself with this game. So this project is about if you want to go and enjoy, or you want to visit some places in all over the world. And the categories that I have chosen is beach, and then mountains, and then deserts. So if you have to visit out of these 3 places, the most famous of them I have put in this project. So here, so this visit, it says hi, and where do you want to go for your vacations? Because we visit anywhere in vacations. So this is 1 is for beach, 2 mountains, and 3 is for desert. So let's say I want to go to the beach. So I'll press 1 and let's just go. So he says here are some of the places you can choose to go. Goa, Pondicherry, Andaman, Daman and Diu, Kochi, Lakshadweep, Mahabalipuram, and Mangalore. So you can also choose to go if you want to visit. And then hope you liked his options, and he says a thank you. So you can visit, you can also choose between deserts and mountains, and then you can just visit that place and you can just see the beauty over there. So now we are off with all the projects which were based on gaming and also which could come to use. Now this is what we come to about the logos that I have made. So this is a logo where you can use anywhere if you want to use it. This is one of the logo, and this logo changes its color every time you run this project. So if I run this, all the colors of these rectangles would get changed. So had you imagined that this logo is totally made up of rectangles? But it is. So like this, it changes, all the rectangles change its color each time you press run. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. So this was the project. You can use this logo anywhere, and how to use, just to take a screenshot of it and you can use it anywhere you want. So this logo is another one. So these rectangles will also change its color every time you run it, like this. So each have a different color. How can you use this logo? Just take a screenshot of it and use it anywhere you want to. So this is the logo. I hope you liked it, and the link is again in the description. So just don't forget to see this. So this is also a logo which is made up of rectangles. So you can also use this logo anywhere you want to. And this will also change its colors every time you run it and every time you reset it. And this is the last logo made by me till now. You can also use this one. So now let's come to something that we all like, which is an ice cream. And this is also made by me. As you can see this, you can also change its colors and you can make a better ice cream than me just by clicking on remix on the project link. Hope you liked this video and the code did project for. So just don't forget to see all the projects and remix and spin off your own version to these. Thank you and bye bye.